Are you looking for the best blenders for milkshakes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best blenders for milkshakes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blendtec Classic 575 blender with Wildside Plus jar. Our best all-around blender for milkshakes is produced by Blendtec, a company that has been a consumer favorite for many years. This blender is the heir of the highly popular Total Blender and retains many of the features of the older model but improved with new functionality. With this model, you get a powerful 3 HP 1575W motor and a unique smooth blade design which makes it a great blender for ice and frozen fruits. There are 4 pre-programmed cycles available for this blender, including the smooth cycle, which works great for milkshakes, the 60-second cycle for raw food blending, the 90-second cycle for hot soups, and a self-cleaning cycle. Users like that this blender has 5 incremental speeds of 50-second intervals, as well as a dedicated stop button and pulse control. This means that you can have complete control over the consistency of your milkshake, and most users who reviewed this product mentioned that the results are very similar to commercial ones. This appliance is designed for hands-free blending and it has a preset program and a countdown timer, so users don't have to babysit it before their drink is ready. The illuminated LCD timer makes it easy to see how much time there is left before your milkshake is ready. We like that the motor of this blender is powerful enough to slice through just about everything including ice, and many users reported that the appliance does a great job at crushing any raw or frozen ingredients. Moving on at number 4. We have the NutriBullet RXN171001. One of the most popular blenders on the market, the NutriBullet RXN171001, has the familiar look of the consumer favorite NutriBullet albeit a grown-up version. Including 2 cups for making cold drinks such as smoothies and milkshakes and another one for nut butters, this blender also has a jug that comes in handy for creating soups over 70 degrees Celsius. Users love the design of the blender which is different to many models available out there. The blending is activated by the user dropping the cup or jug with blades onto the base. The personal blender comes with 2 cups for milkshakes or smoothies and a larger pitcher for soups. When it comes to accessories, you will also receive a pouring lid and a cleaning brush that makes it easy to clean under the blades. Even though the NutriBullet RXN171001 is dishwasher safe, you should make sure you read this section carefully before using it in your dishwasher because you may need to place it on the top rack only. Several users have mentioned that the parts don't fit in all dishwashers' top racks, though. The NutriBullet RX is an excellent choice if you are looking for an appliance that is powerful enough to handle ice and frozen fruit but can also handle solid vegetables for soup. The hands-free design is appealing for those who don't want to go through too much trouble to make their milkshakes. At number 3, we have the Breville BSB510XL. If you're interested in an immersion blender, the Breville BSB51XL Control Grip Immersion Blender is one of the best choices out there. Most users who tested it were impressed by how thoroughly it purees everything from frozen berries to fibrous soups. When it comes to milkshakes, this blender is a top choice because it has the ability to blend ice cream and other ingredients such as frozen berries into frosty, thick mixtures. The power button is conveniently located near your finger so you press it naturally as you grip, meaning that the blender is comfortable to use for prolonged periods. The level of comfort is increased by the rubber handle that feels soft to the touch. The blender is equipped with a powerful 280W motor that is highly efficient and does a great job with the circulation of ingredients whether you want to blend, mix or whisk. When it comes to the level of noise, many users reported that the blender is not very loud, and you can mostly hear it when blending or crushing ice. Because it comes with an 8-inch immersion depth, the blender is a suitable choice for blending larger quantities of ingredients in deeper bowls. For safety purposes, all the blades of this blender are covered by a shroud so you can clean them safely. The good news is that you can get this versatile high-quality blender under $100 only, which is why it's our budget pick on this list. At number 2, we have the Homgeek 30,000 RPM high-speed smoothie maker. The 1,450 watts, Homgeek high-speed smoothie maker, is a standout amongst the best alternative accessible in the wide scope of milkshake blenders. Its sensible cost and great highlights make it the smash hit. Homgeek is a standout amongst the most believed brands for different machines, and this milkshake appliance will be the best decision in the event that you are keen on making sound and delectable juices, milkshakes and smoothies. Additionally, you can utilize it for granulating dry flavors and chutneys. Utilizing the Homgeek blender as a part of your day-by-day schedule will enable you to feel more youthful and more beneficial. The highly efficient 30,000 RPM speed motor arrangement incorporates a high-torque control base which is the quickest and is strong to the point that it can mix the hardest ingredients to a fine and delectable paste. This blender is intended to squash ice easily for milkshakes. You will get top lid covers that you can use with the containers and use them as effectively as you utilize an ordinary jug. The jars are very large, that is 68 ounces. And can easily be used for serving in parties or when a large crowd is gathered at your place. And finally at number 1, we have the Ninja BL456 Countertop Blender. Ninja BL456 Countertop Blender is another heavyweight in the blender for milkshake category. Coming 9th on the rundown is the Ninja Commercial Blender BL456, and I simply need to state that this machine truly is amazing in performance. The motor on this blender is not normal for anything you have ever observed previously, and the blades are additionally very vast. Despite the fact that it doesn't cost much, Ninja offers a 900-watt engine with the Ninja Proficient Milkshake Blender. This by itself should reveal to you that any ingredient that you put in the blender will be blended all together and crushed, in merely seconds. Alongside the motor, you likewise get 2 jars, pulse and single serve capacities, which is not normal for the blenders talked about previously. The 24 ounces, all-out mixing blender works superbly of smashing ice for a rich and plush smoothie and drink. The blender can likewise perform different undertakings like making solidified frothy milkshakes, nut margarine, and purees. Additionally, it can crush coffee beans, herbs, and slash nuts and vegetables. Despite the fact that the BL456 does this and has inconceivable speed, it is wondrous that it doesn't warm the fluid when contrasted with every single other blender out there. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.